Hey everyone, welcome back to Mommy MIRJANA. Why are you screaming? They're coming, they're behind us. Thanks for watching our weekend vlog. We are at a state park right now. We just got here. We are going swimming today and we have our friends with us for the weekend. So, Liana, what are you going to do over there at the park?
We lost my kids.
You lost your, what kids? I don't know what you're talking about.
I lost my...
You lost your kids?
No,
You're so silly. Okay, but we're going to show them the beach. It's so nice.
Daddy's car.
I know it does look like Daddy's car, right?
That looks like a thing.
Ooh, this is pretty, okay? We're going to have fun today?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. Enjoy, guys. And look how cute this place is. It's called Swartswood State Park in Sussex County, New Jersey. So, and the water is like really nice and calm. So great for the kids and not crowded. Liana, are you ready now for the beach?
Yes.
You got your bucket?
Yeah.
What else you got?
And this.
What is that?
We got that.
Bubbles?
Yeah.
All right,
This
look at that.
is a bubble.
Ooh, look at the water. And here. Nina, play in the sand. How do you do, Nina? All fall down. Do it, Nina. All fall down.
Wait.
Hi, Liana. Hello. Are you swimming? Show me how you swim.
Get by Liana.
I
Take a picture.
can't.
Why?
But I can't.
All right, you
Why?
ready?
But I can't.
Are you ready? Turn
Guys,
around.
let's swim. You should do a race. Who can
Ready?
swim?
I can't.
Huh?
Hi, little one. Emma.
No? She's like strangling my neck. Show me how you swim. Wow, look at that.
Pretend to swim.
Come on, pretend to kick. Good job. Both of you are going to learn together by next year. Are you throwing mud? Ew, Nina. You're busy. Show me how you swim. Swim.
Play dolphin?
Liana, are you burying my toes? What you doing?
Look at what I did.
I know, you buried my toes.
I'm gonna get some more.
Nina too.
I'm gonna get some more water. I'm going to get some more water. Just stay like that.
Okay.
And I'm gonna come right back.
All right, you do that. And Nina, you too? Okay, you too. Oh! We are on our way back home from the beach. The girls, the little ones, got a little exhausted over there, and I think the mamas got pooped. Completely pooped. We're tired and we just wanted them to nap, so we figured take the ride back home and let them sleep. So it's working. If you see Nina here, she's passed out. And yeah, so I don't know, the rest of the day we are planning after they take a nap and we settle in at home and maybe have dinner, I don't know what, but maybe we'll go to the park tonight for a little bit. At least for a little treat. Sitting inside the house, again, as you know, I'm not for that, especially with 4 kids this weekend, because they're just going to drive us crazy. Better to get out and about, and that's what we are doing, and that's what we're all about this weekend.